Hello everyone, yet another large haul video. This is actually several orders. Some of this is from more than 2 months ago now. Yeah, some of this I had ordered for Christmas for myself. And Canada Post just took their sweet time. It literally disappeared the minute it crossed the border, and it got to the point where I almost was gonna have to like try and file a claim or something, and then it finally showed up. So let's just dive into it. I was able to get, oh, this is my old one, or old one, previous one, the Simon Says glitter cardstock. I've had people emailing me about this and messaging because it was insanely popular, of course. We were all promoting it like crazy people, and yeah, people have been going nuts over it because it is amazing. I've tried so many different glitter cardstocks over the years, and I bought so much, and one of the big things is smell. If you've ever tried certain brands from certain places, the minute you open the pack, it smells almost like turpentine or something. I don't know, it's the most vile smell, and it doesn't go away. Horrible. This stuff doesn't smell. Another thing that I've noticed is certain brands are extremely thick. It's almost as if the glitter is adhered onto like a chipboard, which works for some things, but like most of the time, you know, I'm die cutting, you know, little die cuts and stuff, and it just completely is a nightmare to try and deal with. So this stuff is like a perfect weight. It's not super heavy cardstock, but it's also not like really thin either. Like it die cuts like a dream. Like I literally, back at Christmas time, you know, did really fine little die cuts with these. So I had the multi-pack, which I have been cutting into like crazy. So I was able to get my hands on another multi-pack. I'll show the new one. And it's just, oh, the colors are amazing. So yeah, is this not just beautiful? And then people were asking me when I showed this originally, when it was first released. People were asking, like, does the glitter flake off? Not really. That's another thing, I guess. Certain glitter cardstocks do that. Like the minute you go like this, there's like glitter flaking, you know, everywhere. This doesn't really do that. Like, it just doesn't really come off even when you're die cutting it and that. So it's like, that's why it's been so popular and why everyone has been ordering it like crazy. People are on wait lists. I'm not sure, you know, hopefully it's all gonna come back in. Like, as of filming this, I'm not sure if it's back in stock because I'm not on the wait list anymore because I got a bunch of it. But they had the multi-pack like this. You get a sheet of every color, and then they do have individual packs. Like literally, I think all of it sold out, and people have been going nuts, and I think people have been ordering like massive amounts of the multi-packs. That's why it's also been hard. But yeah, you can also get full packs of just one individual color, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 sheets. Isn't that gorgeous? 6 sheets of that amazingness, which is of course what I eventually want to have, is just full packs of all the colors, because this is the best glitter paper that I have ever used. I'm loving it. Like, that's the silver. Isn't that gorgeous? So yeah, best way is just to go on the wait list when things are sold out. I always have a link to it, and then it'll say like out of stock, and then you can go on the email wait list. I've never had a problem with the email wait list. Like, I always get the email when the item comes back in stock. However, with certain things that are like, the demand is massive, I think it just, when they get it in stock, you know, it emails the first, like, say there's, I don't know, 50 people, or there's 100 people on the wait list, and they get 50 in stock, and it just would send you, like, that's kind of how I think the system works. You can't quote me because I don't do the software, you know, but, and then the first 10 people order 5 packs each, you know, like, everybody just needs to, I don't know, hopefully they can get it back in stock. It's worth the wait, is what I've been telling people. So, and this was other items that I have literally been waiting since the beginning of December, I think, is when I ordered this, because it was, yeah, it had come back in stock. So I got my hands on the Simon Says stamp CZ Design Birthday PALOOZA stamp set. I thought it was so cute. Like all these large words, happy, woot, party, eat cake, so happy birthday to you, woot, it's your birthday, party like you mean it, eat cake, birthdays look good on you, separate cake image is fun, candle image. There's a coordinating die set, for this that will cut out all these words. Super fun. I've literally been waiting since the beginning of December to get for, like, I don't know what's going on with Canada Post lately, and it's just been a complete gong show. How is this even in here? It's such a big set. I guess it was kind of like that. Whatever. So I got that. I got the meh. I say this all the time. I think it's cute. I like her like snarky sentiments. Kathy Zilski's hilarious. So you get 2 sizes of these. Meh. Yep. Just for snarky kind of whatever. I can see myself using this like, meh, I forgot your birthday. Whatevs. For certain friends, you know, those certain ones that you can just be a kind of a jerk to. Yeah. So got that. Oh, finally got this. The all caps #1 die set. Again, this sold out so quickly. Then they got it back in stock. I, ordered it and then they shipped it out, and Canada Post just like slowly, I think somebody walked it from Ohio to here. So yeah, I like the size of this. It's not too big, it's not small. It's like 1.25 inches in height. So a decent enough size that you can like spell nice sentiments, and yet not so tiny that, you're fiddling with little words. I have a thing for alphabet dies. You will see in a minute. But I love that because I like being able to personalize. Plus you can just spell out nice things, spell out hello, hugs, and these are just a nice size too, that they'd be easy to stack too to get dimension. Love. So I got that. And I finally got the Happy Hour dies. I have the stamp set. Forgive my sniffling and everything like that. So I got the stamp set some time ago, but the die set had been sold out. And then I just remembered finally to order the coordinating die set to this. So yeah, this is the Happy Hour stamp set. Just fun. So yeah. We are so overdue for happy hour. Cheers. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. The first drink is on me. Want to Skype for happy hour? I'll spring for the Uber. Let's get lit. Cheers to you. A toast is in order. And then these fun drink icons. So yeah, coordinating die set to die cut everything, as well as the words, which I really like. So yeah, and I really like how this one, it's like, it cuts out all the little interior pieces too. Yes. Love that. Love that. So, finally got coordinating die set. I've been waiting for so long. Got that one. And then I got the hello die, because same thing. It was sold out. So this is a really, I've had a lot of people ask me about this set. Like, what was the one you had shown that said, my hide-a-body friend? That's the one I keep getting emails about. They're like, what stamp set was that had that certain sentiment? And I'm like, oh, this one. So this is the Hello You set from CZ Design. So yeah, got the big hello. And then like, you sexy beast, sweet cheeks, you sassy lass, my sweet friend, you non-angsty teen, my love, keeper of my heart, sweetness, you cheeky monkey, hot papa, keeper of my secrets, Miss Thang, you little minx, awesomeness, you saucy sailor, birthday girl, my hide-a-body friend, Foxy, you righteous dude, hot mama, my favorite child, birthday boy, my favorite spouse. Shh. I got a kick out of it. So I finally got the coordinating die for this set. So yeah, we'll just cut it out all nice and fabulous. So yeah, these just make me giggle. I love anyone who knows me knows that I am a sarcastic person, and I like snarky sentiments, and just I have a twisted sense of humor. So the CZ Design stuff is like so right up my alley. So I will link to everything, like both the stamps and the die sets, because they're fabulous. So I got those, and then sort of random, and I have had my eye on this for a while, and it was just so cute. So when I had seen it had come back in stock, I had to get it. This is the Plush Wise Owl die from Memory Box, and it's just like so. So you can create your own little felt owl. Similar, the same ones as like the Simon Says ones that I've done a video on. I had got some before Christmas, and I had started on some ornaments. Never did get them done, but this is part of it. But yeah, you got all the pieces to create this adorable little owl. So cute. So that is like kind of my plan more for like hopefully throughout the year, is I want to like die cut a bunch of felt and then just have it all in a container that I can like haul around with me and just start making. I want to make some like Christmas ornaments for my Christmas tree with. I think these would make really cute little gifts and stuff for people too, because they're just so cute. I think my older kids will love making these, because of course owls are just the cutest things ever. So love this. So I finally got my hands on this after however long. And then AlteNew. I didn't even know where to begin. They've released so much stuff the last few months. I have a soft spot for theirs. I have a lot of people that ask me about AlteNew. I can't keep up with it all. There's just so much awesome stuff. But I had ordered this a while ago. I think this was in their November release? December? I don't even know. It was from a while ago anyway, and it's like, it's super pretty. So this is the Peony Spray stamp set. It was just this gorgeous flower. I was like, it is so gorgeous. So always be blooming, bloom with joy. All the flowers of tomorrow are in the seeds of today. An Indian proverb. If friends were flowers, I'd pick you. Where flowers bloom, so does hope. You look beautiful today. Create your own happiness. I like. And the coordinating die is just the die for the flower. So I got that. It's so pretty. You can like, I just want to watercolor this. Heat emboss this and watercolor it. Maybe if I get the patience, this would look absolutely amazing. If you stamp on a light ink and do like no line coloring, it would look fabulous. But we'll see if I get to that. So yeah, speaking of large alphabets, I had to get it. I was eyeing it up for a while. And yeah, this is the Caps Bold Alphabet Die. This set is huge. Just because I'm sure someone will ask. Difference. Completely different. Completely different. So like I said, this was 1 1/4 inches high. These ones are 1 3/4 inches. Yeah, 1 3/4, and they average up to about an inch roughly wide. So still a good size to take, you know, you could still have the word hugs or hello on an A2 size card, you know, and these are like your focal point, but not so big that, you know, you can't do much with them. But my first project is I have a special like personalized birthday card. That's what I use alphabet dies more than anything, is to spell out someone's name, especially my kids, etc. But yeah, I love it. And I love, these are all separate. So I was kind of excited about that, because I was like, when I got, and same with next one, which I'll get to, when it showed up, I was like, oh, I'm gonna have some time, you know, snipping apart all these dies. I didn't realize they're all separate, so that's really nice. So huge die set. I'm excited. And then the other one I had to get, and I blame this on Jennifer McGuire, because normally I wouldn't go for something like this, because it just, I'm like, but yet at the same time it was so unique and it's so pretty. So this is the Rose Flurries 3D die set, and it's huge, like, but same thing, all the dies are separate, which I think is awesome. And I love, I've been seeing this more and more, I love that they have keys on their packaging that show, you know, what is needed to layer everything up. So obviously I'm going to keep, you know, that to help me like figure it out, and I'll probably have separate little packages to keep, you know, this selection of dies together. Like I'll just put them in little sleeves or clear envelopes or something, just to make it easier. So I'll just have to grab the one and then can go from there. So yeah, I'm thinking this with this, I have so many ideas. So many ideas, and these are just so pretty. AlteNew has just been knocking it out of the park. All the different products they've been coming out with, like their inks and markers. They have watercolors. I've been seeing, I don't know when they're being released. I saw them in the photos and videos at Creativation. I'm very curious about it. People have been asking me about it. Yeah, I'm probably going to get their watercolor set because I think it'll be fabulous. So yeah, I'm excited. This is overwhelming as always. So much awesome, fun stuff. But like I said, I will post links to everything in the description box below the video, as well as on my blog. On my blog, it's actual like picture links, so it's easier to see rather than just names of things. So I will do that, and then I will be back very soon with another video. Bye.